Hi everybody, thanks for stopping by. I'm here for an unboxing, and this is a very special unboxing that I've been waiting for. I placed an order on July 4th with Candace. Let's see if you can see right there. Candace, and her shop on Etsy is Imagine Leather, and I ordered something for he was the fiance then, I think 2 years ago, and I've been wanting to get something else from her, and so I placed an order, and all I did was cut the packaging, but I placed an order because look how beautiful her packaging is. I'll zoom on in. So she's got a little tag here that says merci, and a cute, cute, cute little embossing of a compass and a great tag. Oh my goodness, there's even a note on the back, it looks like. And what's back here? I don't know if you can see, but it says handmade with love. Okay, I'm gonna carefully try and undo this. See, where's the... Let's see what this does. There we go. So there you can see a little bit more of the like tags. Thank you, John. Enjoy. That'll go in my journal. And let's see. So there you can see where it says handmade with love. And I'm going to see if I can open it without disturbing that. But everyone knows my love for the thing's passport. The last time I ordered from her, I got a field note size notebook. It was for the fiance at that time. Well, of course now, that was so smart. She put it on the Scotch tape. I had ordered a field note size notebook for the fiance, now husband, and I wanted to order something in passport size for me. So, look at this. This is, I'm not sure you can see the gorgeous detail of that. This is the same design that I did for the husband's notebook, but of course it's on a passport. Ooh, look how beautiful that color is. This color she calls mahogany. Oh my god, it smells amazing. Look how beautiful that is. Try to get rid of the glare. It's kind of a weird sunny day, and so I had to get some artificial light in here today as well. Beautiful. And she does have a leather maker's mark now. See how it says leather imagined. Beautiful. So this is a passport size, because everyone knows of my love for passport, and the leather is amazing. The husband has been using his notebook ever since he got it, and it, you know, it looks like one of those, the leather ages so well. He did spill water on it once, but other than that, it's held up so well. And I wanted to get a beautiful passport notebook by Candace. So I'm pulling all of the stuff out of I've been using my camel, my Dori Traveler's Notebook in the camel. And I'm gonna even pop out my little Kermit. I decided to laminate him so nothing happened to my little frog. So let's see. Got the wallet insert, my monthly calendar. We just have a couple more days of July, and I'm almost finished with this insert. There's just a couple of more pages, so I can really go through a dot grid insert in a month. But I've got something planned for the fall, so I won't be doing that system. That was mainly for One Book July. So, let's see. I always like to have my monthly calendar. Let's see, where's the center? This is the new Peke Dori design monthly calendar that starts in August, starts in just a couple of days of 2018, and it goes through December of 2019. So we'll put that in. Then I have a folder, and then this is that piece of paper that I folded and glued to create the pocket. Then we'll put my monthly July in there. And then my wallet insert. Oh, look how cute that is. I'll take the pen off so you can see exactly how adorable this is. It's such a nice leather. I'm smelling it again, I'm sorry. That way you can see the detail much closer. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, I had some glitter on here because I was doing an art tutorial. Look how beautiful that is. So, what I will do is I will link Candace in her wonderful shop down below. It makes me want to try one of her notebooks in a larger size because I love the leather. So, I see I'm getting some text from students as I forgot to turn my Wi-Fi off. So, there you go. This is a beautiful notebook from Candace at Leather Imagined. I will link everything down below, the Peke Dori design, but of course the wonderful notebooks by Candace. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I will get back with you as soon as I can. Okay? Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.